Today I'm going to be making some coffee on the rocks. It's going to be instant coffee, so it's going to be a little bit different than what I would normally make, but here we go. Alright, first step, we got a cup. Next, we're going to try out this Toaster Choice Nescafe. That's what it looks like. So we'll get our handy dandy cup, spoon. We're gonna do like a hefty spoon. I think I'm gonna do two scoops. Pulls it back up. Dude, what? All right, this is what we got here. We got a cup. Cup of that. Then we're gonna put some water. All right, the water's in. Then we're gonna use this to mix it. All right, I like my coffee on the rocks, so we're gonna throw a couple cubes in there. Gosh, splashing everywhere. And there it is right there, boys. This is the coffee right here on the rocks. First taste test. Oh my gosh, dude.